Hi my friend, you can see here the slot cutting. So whenever you try to cut the slot, make sure you have a good position of balancing everywhere and make alignment good. And most important thing, you have to check your index rotation table, and if it is perfect, then you can go for it. There is no problem. Once you fix in a good way, you just have to rotate gradually whatever degrees you want, and then you can get finally the whole part complete without any problem. So I would say before you cut slotting cutter, you have to make a rough cutter and then you have to do it. Thanks, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.